Why are Germany and Austria separate countries explained? Most people get this wrong by thinking Germany and Austria were always separate nations. The surprising truth is that their separation is rooted in complex historical, cultural, and political factors. In the 19th century, both regions were part of the Holy Roman Empire, sharing language and culture. After the empire's collapse in 1806, Austria became a major European power, while the German states formed confederations. Efforts to unite all German-speaking peoples in the 19th century faced opposition from Austria. Prussia, rising as a dominant German state, excluded Austria from the 1871 unification that created modern Germany. Austria retained its own monarchy, army, and political structure. This separation continued through the 20th century. After World War I, Austria became a republic, distinct from Germany. Even the brief Anschluss in 1938, when Germany annexed Austria, ended after World War I, reinforcing separate national identities. You won't believe how much culture overlaps today. Language, traditions, and cuisine are similar, but political borders and historical events kept the countries distinct. In conclusion, Germany and Austria are separate due to historical power struggles, Prussian dominance, and post-war treaties. Shared culture doesn't erase centuries of political independence.